I knew that self-inflicted bums. Somebody could start call some bum. What's up, you self-inflicted bum? Alright, yo. Welcome back to the channel. Jenna One Podcast. Like me say, when I get a whole heap of different things on a podcast here, you see me? But anyway, today, if you know me any at all, you know I'm a huge Afrobeats fan. You know I'm a huge UK fan as well. You know what I mean? That's the type of music I was kind of raised on, if you want to put it like that. Afrobeats and UK drill music is my two main genre of music that I'll go to when it comes to the gym or whatever it is. But anyway, today we are going to review Central Cee One Up music video and actually the lyrics, the song. If you know me, I'm a huge Central Cee fan. You get me? Abracadabra, Central Cee, Headie One, Stormzy, all them dudes, huge fan. So anyway, make we jump into the video and make we start everything right now. And you know, see how you go. So here we go. Yo, let me tell you, say the man, like Central Cee just get this big, I think it's big break. I think after more say after the whole COVID-19 thing, yo, and this man come like him just in a shell, and when COVID-19 come and gone, the man just get a complete different meds, complete different set of lyrics, everything, yo. But so far the song sound lyrically, so far what me hear, it sound like it put together well. So I hope so by the end of the song, end of the video, it is well put together. I knew that self-inflicted bums. Somebody could start call some bum. What's up, you self-inflicted bum? Yo, that can be a caption, you know. You see me? Central, don't forget me. Man say, money don't make me lose my memory. Because you know some people get money and them switch up, you know. Like, look for them boy get money and switch up, you know. Enough of them things, you know, because them have a huge Instagram follower. Not even money. Because them think them get big pan social media, you know, them thinks them hype. Them thinks them above everybody. You see me? Or above them friend of them used to. You see me? Them used to grow up with them thing. You see it? Yo, man's a wind his window down, try hit man off his mountain hike. Yo, let me tell you, the Central Cee lyrical, I feel like Central Cee and Abracadabra on a song would be very good. You see me? Like, I think that would be a good collab. So I'm going to continue. Yo, that man start tell them they could eat that girl, yeah. I don't want to fuck you. I don't want to meet your parents. I just want to fuck you. Simple as that. Simple as 1, 2, 3. You see me? Because something else, some girl and a brother, and you go to boop and give them a one flick, you know. And then they want to meet them brother, then sister, then mother, then uncle, then auntie, then granny. You see me? No, sir. All right. I guess we can say. So honestly speaking, um, it was a good song. I'm not gonna lie, it was a good song. The lyrics they put together very well. Central C never disappoint. And if honestly, if him did make a song I never like, but I honestly make him like, that shit was kind of trash. You know what I mean? But honestly, this shit is really good. You get me? But big up Central C. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I even did tell you that. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Central C do him thing. I honestly think like say yo, to me, I feel like Afrobeats and UK drill music currently just a take over like the music industry like rapidly. You see me? But comment down below, let me know what you think. You see me? I think it take over the music industry rapidly. I think it take it time, and I think say yo, hip hop kind of dip on a pause now through Afrobeats and UK drill because a lot of Americans right now, when me know personally, I listen to UK drill music like Heady One, Stormzy, Abracadabra, Central C. Like a lot of these UK artists, a lot of American people right now are listening to UK music more than and Afrobeats more than them own music, hip hop, rap, all that type of shit. You get me? But Central C, you did a good job. Video quality, everything always good. Isn't it? I expect it to come out in a shitty quality video. Lyrics to the song was very good. It was simple. It was straight to the point, and we get some new caption for Instagram picture them. So big up on yourself. Like, comment, subscribe. I honestly feel like say if you're not listening to UK music, UK drill music, you need to hop onto it. Like you need to jump onto it. When me I listen to UK drill music back in the day, people say yo, that shit is whack. That shit is, you see me? Especially when I just moved to America, that shit, everybody was, yo, that shit was whack. Ain't nobody good. That shit ain't good. Blah, blah, blah. I know the same motherfuckers listen to the same fucking songs I'm listening to, which is UK drum music and Afrobeats. See how funny that shit is? But anyway, big up on yourself. Like, comment, subscribe. Me soon at the next video. And you see me? You don't know. Me out.